Good afternoon. I would like to welcome each of you today. My name is Michelle Caldwell Thompson, and I am honored to be with you today as a member of the Board of Directors for the Fredericksburg Regional Chamber of Commerce, a strong supporter of local businesses and the voice of the business community. I would like to thank the Seidl Group for inviting us here today and including us in your grand opening and ribbon cutting. Thank you all for being here. We are celebrating a milestone today that would not have happened without a lot of hard work and dedication. This is the grand opening of the fourth branch of the James P. Seidl Law Office's Estate and Business Planning Center. We are so excited for them. Since 1995, James P. Seidl Law Offices specializes in estate and business planning with a focus on trust and LLCs. They emphasize fully funded trust and assist in the funding process, including prepping and recording real estate property deeds. They also provide probate and estate administration assistance. This is the grand opening. We welcome them and we're excited about this milestone event. At this time, it is my pleasure to introduce Monica Gary, Aquia Harbor Supervisor.
Woo! Woo!
Thank you, Michelle. Just so I don't leave out the rest of my district, it's a quiet district. I have the harbor, and I'm blessed to have another whole portion of the district as well. Welcome, everyone. Today we mark an important moment for Stafford County with the opening of the James P. Seidl Law Offices, our newest business addition. As representative for the Aquia District on the Stafford County Board of Supervisors, I am pleased to support and also show my support for the growth of new businesses like this Estate and Business Planning Center. James P. Seidl Law Offices is a respected second-generation law firm with a history of excellence that began with attorney Seidl's father in 1941. The firm offers a full range of estate and business planning services, from basic documents like powers of attorney and advanced medical directives to more complex tools such as living trust, charitable trust, and family limited partnerships. James Seidl, Sonia Rustisi, and their team are dedicated to providing personalized, precise services, ensuring clients get exactly what they need. Their building block approach to estate planning ensures clients pay only for what they require, offering excellent value. Congratulations to the entire team here today on the opening of your new office in Stafford County. We look forward to the impact your firm will have on our community and the potential enhancements you will bring to our local legal landscape. On behalf of Stafford County, I wish you success and prosperity in this new location. It is my pleasure to introduce James Seidl.
Thank you, Monica. I really appreciate that. And good afternoon to everyone that's here today. My name is Jim Seidl, and I want to extend a heartfelt welcome to everyone to this ribbon cutting ceremony. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to attend this ceremony, even though it's a hot, muggy Thursday afternoon, and we sincerely appreciate your attendance. I am the principal of the James P. Seidl Law Offices, licensed to practice law in the Commonwealth of Virginia, the state of Maryland, the District of Columbia, before the United States Tax Court, and before the United States Supreme Court. The Seidl Law Offices is a proud successor to the practice of the law started in 1941 by my late father, the Honorable Judge Peter J. Seidl. The Seidl Law Offices does business in estate and business planning, operates the Estate and Business Planning Center. Our main office is located in Charlottesville with a mailing address of Barboursville. We currently have branches located in Manassas, Fairfax, Farmville, and Bowie, Maryland. The Estate and Business Planning Center has 5 personnel besides myself. First of all, as you've heard her name, Sonia Ristici, my associate attorney, who will be the primary person staffing this Stafford office. Ron Smallwood, an associate paralegal, David Wise, associate paralegal, Amanda Lehman, managing paralegal, and Jill Taylor, my administrative paralegal. We have proudly served over 2,000 clients over the past 30 plus years. More specifically, we prepare living trusts, wills, powers of attorney, medical directives, and limited liability companies. Of particular interest, we plan to hold regular workshops at this office. And our first workshop is for Thursday, September 12th from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. And there's actually I don't know if I have it here right now, but there's actually a handout here that we're passing around that gives you more information about that, our first workshop on September 12th. I've been blessed with Sonia Ristici, the associate attorney, my associate attorney. Sonia and I have started working over 13 years ago. Sonia has a unique background geared towards estate and business planning and probate and trust administration. Among other endeavors, she is a trust advisor for financial institutions, including serving as the trust officer for the historic National Bank of Fredericksburg. Sonia, please take it away.
Well, thank you, Jim, for those kind words. I want to thank everyone for attending our event today. I also want to thank my husband, Dr. Thomas Ristici, for preparing and assisting with the food and the refreshments for today. Thanks, honey. I also want to thank the Fredericksburg Chamber of Commerce for hosting and broadcasting this event for our great community. I also want to thank my paralegal, Christine Martin, for joining us today. As Jim said, I am an attorney. I work for his practice, and this office is going to be my my home. I live in Stafford with my husband and our 3 children, and this is our home. It's been our home for 30 years, so this has been a dream of my life to open up a law practice, hang out a shingle, and this is going to be where I'll be home based, along with me and my paralegal, Christine Martin. So, just a little bit about my background. I started working with the Seidl law offices in 2012. Prior to that time, I was working as a paralegal in the area of wills and decedent estates since 1993. I also served as a bank trust officer for the National Bank of Fredericksburg during the early 2000s for a few years. Prior to coming to the Seidl law offices, for most of my career, I've either been working in probate administration, assisting executors through their will process, or preparing estate plans. So early on in my career, I saw firsthand how probate and guardianship process really hurts people. The government can do some things right, but managing you and your money and your family's business, no, not so good. It's not good for your families to have to go through that. It's costly and extremely intrusive. So when I began working for Jim Seidl, who largely focused on trust, this really got my attention and my passion, because I feel like I'm really helping my client when I can prepare documents that reduce government control and intrusion over us and our wealth. Not only is a living trust the best document to pass your wealth to the next generation, but it is also the best disability planning document to avoid government control over your assets during your disability, and the best way to preserve your dignity and respect during this most difficult time. Just a quick note, as Jim Seidl mentioned, we are having our very first estate planning workshop happening right here in our Stafford office on September the 12th from 6:30 to 9 o'clock. This event is free and it is open to the community. We have left handouts inside with more details for that event. Now, Jim and I have been doing this particular presentation for many, many years and have developed a great platform and format. At this workshop, we're going to discuss for the very first time how recent changes in federal laws can affect your estate plan. One other quick thing to note I want to mention about what our firm does that most law firms do not do is that we offer a free initial 2-hour meeting for no fee, no obligation to folks who are interested in estate planning. We are so excited to have this branch office to serve the Stafford, Fredericksburg, and Spotsylvania communities. Again, thank you for coming. We're going to go ahead and cut the ribbon now. And after we do the ribbon, I want to invite you all in to partake in the food and refreshments that we have inside, and we're going to enjoy some great fellowship with you today. Thank you so much.